Guys, this is the topic that I'm going to discuss about inflation. But what is inflation? What the sense of inflation proceeds to? The meaning of inflation is not strictly in a particular sense. There are various opinions given by different authors, different economists, different statisticians about this inflation. But this inflation, for layman, it is just a rise in the price of the general commodity. But this inflation term can be applicable in all the fields like your agricultural inflation, industrial inflation, inflation of the labor workers, inflation of the industrial workers, inflation for the general people, inflation for each and every aspect. It is based on the WPI, Wholesale Price Index. And that WPI Wholesale Price Index reflects the inflation in the economy. It can be applicable in all the aspects. But the meaning of the inflation is not strictly in a particular sense. There are various opinions given by different authors, given by different prominent authors, given by different statisticians regarding this inflation. But now let me discuss what is the meaning of the inflation. The meaning of inflation is it means a substantial rapid increase in the general price level which causes declining in the purchasing power. Because inflation in the retrospectively we can have the decline in the purchasing power because of rise in the price of the commodity. This is the impact. This rise in decline in the purchasing power, it is the impact in the economy. That's why it is known as inflationary pressure. Now this is the layman sense, layman concept. What is inflation? But now let me discuss about in detail. The three views on the inflation. These three views has been given by different scholars, different economists in different senses. The sense of inflation widely accepted in three views. Number one, common view. Common view, Keynesian view, and modern view. These are the three views relating to the inflation. That means the sense of inflation are described by three views: the common sense, common view, Keynesian view, and the modern view. What all these three types of views, let me discuss in detail. As a common view, general level of price. Here, as the common view, we have can be defined as the phenomenon of price, a phenomenon of money. Now, how this inflation is a phenomenon of price. It is a phenomenon price. It can be defined by different scholars, different economists, as according to Crowther. According to Crowther, it is a state in which the value of money is falling. According to Crowther, the state in which the value of money is falling. That means there is a reduction in the purchasing power. When price of the money will fall, then at the same time there is a decline in the purchasing power. According to that, it is the definition given by Crowther. Now, according to Ackley, it is a persistence and appreciable rise in the general level of prices. This definition has been given on the basis of this phenomenon of price. Similarly, according to Johnson, I defined inflation as substantial rise in the price. This is the concept relating to the phenomenon of price given by different authors. The meaning, the definition, the meaning of inflation has been given or defined by different authors according to them. Inflation can be defined as a phenomenon of money. As already I discussed about, there are two common views to define the inflation. Number one, a phenomenon of price and a phenomenon of money. The phenomenon of money can be defined as by three different economists: Friedman, Kuhlborn, and Hartree. Now, Friedman holds inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon. That means the economy is directly linked to our money. If money supply in the economy will increase, and there is a rise in the demand economy, and that demand reflects the rise in the price of the commodity, which is reflected in the form of this inflation. Now, let me discuss about this Kuhlborn views. Too much of money chasing few goods. Chasing few goods means few goods are demanded by more people because of too much of money surplus in the economy. And similarly, according to Hartree, the inflation can be defined as an issue of too much currency. The similar sense, whatever it is held by Kuhlborn, too much currency. Too much currency means more currency in the economy will rise the demand of the particular commodity, which will lead to the inflation. So these are the different views relating to the inflation by different scholars, different economists. According to Keynes, the modern economist, he held the inflation as a phenomenon of full employment. Full employment means aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. To achieve this aggregate demand equal to aggregate supply, we need to make some adjustment, and all those adjustments are making on the basis of the monetary policy and fiscal policy by the government. And now, according to him, inflation is the result. It is a result of excess demand over the aggregate supply. Means when aggregate demand is greater than aggregate supply, to achieve the equilibrium point, to achieve the equilibrium situation, that is known as the inflation. This is all about the Keynesian view regarding. According to modern view, modern economics analyze the inflation in a comprehensive and unified manner. It classifies the inflation as demand pull inflation and cost push inflation. Demand pull inflation is a situation when demand chasing the inflation. Means here in this situation, inflation and falling unemployment are supposed to go together. Means here inflation is rising, along with that inflation there is a reduction in the unemployment. That means increase in the employment. Increase in employment and inflation go simultaneously in this situation. That is known as the demand pull inflation. Similarly, here cost push inflation. Cost push inflation means in this situation, inflation and rise in unemployment are occur simultaneously. Means cost push inflation, the situation when inflation and there is a rise in the unemployment or reduction in the employment. Just oppositely you can correlate. Rise in unemployment or fall in the employment are occurred simultaneously. So this is the concept relating to the modern view, the modern phenomenon in the regarding the inflation.